Geometry. Lines. Parallel lines are two or more lines that lie in the same plane and never intersect each other as shown below. Lines A and B are parallel lines. Perpendicular lines, lines X and Y, are two straight lines that meet or intersect at 90 degrees as shown below. Angles. Angles on a straight line are angles that form on one side of a straight line. Angles A, B and C are on a straight line. Tip. We use a protractor to measure the angles in a triangle. The sum of all angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Remember to carry a protractor and a ruler for your mathematical exam. Practice question on using a protractor. Measure all the angles of the triangle below. Workings. Get your protractor and be ready to measure as shown below. We'll start with angle XZY or YZX. When you are told the name of the angle is XZY, the letter in the middle is the focus point. In this case, Z is the letter in the center, so we place the midpoint of the protractor where letter Z is as shown below. Check the midpoint mark in the above image. The next image is the same as the previous, only rotated for easier observation. Now, we can see clearly, angle XZY or YZX is 45 degrees using the inner scale, the blue one. Next, we'll measure angle ZXY or YXZ. This means we put the midpoint of the protractor on letter X as shown below. Using the inner scale, the blue one, we can see angle ZXY or YXZ is 90 degrees. Next, we'll measure angle XYZ or ZYX. This means we put the midpoint of the protractor on letter Y as shown below. Using the outer scale, the black one, we can see angle XYZ or ZYX is 45 degrees. 3D objects. Three-dimensional shapes are solid shapes that have three dimensions including length, height, and width. Keywords. Faces, surfaces that are 2D shapes on 3D objects. Edges, lines where two faces meet. Vertices, points where two or more edges meet. Corner points. Examples of 3D objects. 1. A cuboid is a three-dimensional solid that has 6 rectangular faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. 2. A cube is a three-dimensional solid object that has 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. 3. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape consisting of 2 parallel circular bases, joined by a curved surface. It has 2 flat base faces and 1 curved surface, 2 edges, and 0 vertices. 4. A pyramid is a 3D polyhedron with the base of a polygon along with 3 or more triangle-shaped faces that meet at a point above the base. Pyramid A is a square-based pyramid with 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. Pyramid B is a triangular-based pyramid with 3 triangular faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. 5. A sphere is a three-dimensional solid figure, which is round in shape. It has 1 curved face, 0 edges, 0 vertices. 6. A cone is a three-dimensional solid geometric shape having a circular base and a pointed edge at the top called the apex. It has 2 faces, 1 flat face and 1 curved face, 1 curved edge and 1 vertex. 7. A triangular prism is a three-dimensional polyhedron, made up of 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. It has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Note: geometry was tested in both the KPSEA 2022 and KPSEA 2023 mathematics exam. Check the video on KPSEA 2022 question 25 and KPSEA 2023 question 23, 24, 25 and 27 for more revision.